this is my fault. I gave you the love much more than you deserve. And I knew this one had gonna happen. I know you love it when I cry, cause I guess it makes you feel like a hero. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. You can't make me cry. Times, but soon I'm going to get you off my mind and get back on my feet. I really sincerely love you. I truly want not give any less to the person I love. This I guess. This is why Mama always warned me, but I refuse to listen. Boss, hey, I'm sorry to burst your bodies. You made me going to make me lose my mind, but I meant this heart and keep it safe for the one who truly deserves it. Keep your love, yourself. I'll follow my mom's instruction. Love yourself.